Your kitchen is supposed to be the heart of your home, a place for delicious meals, family gatherings, and late-night snacks. But let's be honest, sometimes it feels more like a battlefield. Grease splatters on the stove, stubborn stains on countertops, foul odors from the sink, sticky microwave disasters, and a fridge that looks like a crime scene from a mystery show. No matter how much you scrub, it never seems spotless. But what if I told you there are clever, time-saving tricks, hacks so simple and effective that they'll make you wonder why no one told you sooner? Today, we're diving into 15 genius kitchen cleaning hacks that will change the way you tackle dirt and grime forever. Hack number 1. The microwave steam clean. Forget scrubbing forever. All you need is a microwave-safe bowl filled with water and a few slices of lemon. Pop it in, run the microwave for 5 minutes, and let the steam loosen all that hardened gunk clinging to the walls. When it's done, simply wipe with a cloth and, boom, the stains glide right off. Plus, the lemon leaves your microwave smelling fresh instead of like last week's spaghetti explosion. Hack number 2, the baking soda stovetop miracle. Glass stovetops look beautiful, until they don't. Burnt-on stains seem impossible to remove, and harsh scrubbing risks scratching. Instead, sprinkle baking soda generously over the surface, then cover it with warm, soapy towels for about 15 minutes. The baking soda loosens the grime, while the towels lift it gently. A quick wipe after, and your stovetop shines like new. It's effortless, eco-friendly, and safe. Hack number 3, deodorize your cutting boards naturally. Wooden cutting boards especially hold on to onion, garlic, and fish smells like a grudge. But you don't need fancy sprays. Just cut a lemon in half, sprinkle coarse salt over the board, and scrub with the lemon. The salt acts as a gentle abrasive, while the lemon kills bacteria and neutralizes odors. Rinse, dry, and your cutting board is as good as new. Hack number 4, the secret to stainless steel. If you've got stainless steel appliances, you know the pain, fingerprints everywhere. But here's the trick, a little olive oil or mineral oil on a microfiber cloth. Wipe in the direction of the grain, and not only will fingerprints vanish, but it'll leave behind a subtle layer that resists new smudges. Bonus, it smells better than harsh cleaners. Hack number 5, vinegar for your dishwasher. You might think your dishwasher cleans itself while cleaning your dishes, but nope. It collects grease, soap scum, and hidden food debris. The solution? Place a cup of white vinegar on the top rack and run a hot cycle. The vinegar blasts away buildup and deodorizes, leaving your dishwasher sparkling clean and odor-free. Hack number 6, the garbage disposal refresh. Let's be real, your sink's disposal can smell like death itself if you don't treat it. To fix this, toss in a handful of ice cubes and rock salt, then run the disposal with cold water. The ice sharpens the blades while the salt scrubs the grime. For an added touch, drop in a few lemon or orange peels for freshness. It's cheap, easy, and incredibly effective. Hack number 7, the foil ball oven rack trick. Scrubbing oven racks is one of the worst chores, but aluminum foil makes it easier. Simply crumple up a ball of foil, dip it in soapy water, and use it as a scrubber. It scrapes away baked-on messes without damaging the metal. Suddenly, cleaning oven racks doesn't feel like a punishment. Hack number 8, coffee filters for streak-free glass. Paper towels often leave lint or streaks behind, but coffee filters, they're perfect. Spray your kitchen windows or glass cabinet doors with your regular cleaner and wipe with a coffee filter. The result is spotless, streak-free shine, no fancy products needed. Hack number 9, flour for grease cleanup. Ever spilled oil or bacon grease and struggled with that slimy mess? Instead of smearing it around, sprinkle flour over the spill. The flour absorbs the grease, making it easy to sweep or wipe away. It's one of those aha hacks that feels like magic. Hack number 10, the blender self-clean hack. No one likes sticking their hands into a sharp blender blade. So here's the genius solution. Fill the blender halfway with warm water, add a drop of dish soap, and let it run for 30 seconds. Rinse, and your blender is sparkling clean. No scrubbing, no cut fingers, just pure convenience. Hack number 11, the oven steam bath. Burnt-on oven grime can feel impossible to remove, but here's a secret weapon. Fill an oven-safe dish with water and vinegar, then place it inside and set the oven 250 degrees Fahrenheit, 120 degrees Celsius for about 30 minutes. The steam softens baked-on gunk, making it easier to wipe away. No more back-breaking scrubbing. Hack number 12, toothpaste for silver polish. Got tarnished silver utensils or trays hiding in your kitchen? A dab of non-gel toothpaste on a soft cloth can bring back their shine. Rub gently, rinse, and polish. It's that easy. Suddenly, your old silver looks brand new. Hack number 13, flour paste for stainless pots. Burnt residue at the bottom of your pots and pans doesn't need to be scrubbed with all your strength. Instead, make a paste with baking soda and water. Apply it to the mess and let it sit for 20 minutes. Wipe away, and the stains come off far easier. Add vinegar for extra power, and you'll save hours of frustration. Hack number 14, onion grill cleaner. This one sounds strange, but it works wonders. Cut an onion in half, heat up your grill pan or outdoor grill, and rub the onion, cut side down, across the grates using tongs. The natural enzymes break down grease, while the heat helps it lift off. Plus, it leaves a subtle savory scent. Hack number 15, rice for spice grinders. If you've ever ground spices or coffee beans, you know those little grinders hold on to strong smells. The fix? Add a handful of uncooked rice and grind it. The rice absorbs oils, cleans the blades, and leaves the grinder fresh for your next use. It's a hack most people have never heard of, but it's a lifesaver. Now here's the best part. These hacks aren't just quick fixes, they're long-term game changers. With simple ingredients like vinegar, lemon, baking soda, and even coffee filters, you can keep your kitchen sparkling without wasting money on fancy sprays and harsh chemicals. They save time, protect your appliances, and honestly, make cleaning a little more fun. Imagine walking into your kitchen tomorrow. Microwave spotless, stovetop gleaming, sink fresh, fridge odor-free, and appliances shining like they're brand new. All because of hacks you now know. Hacks that only take minutes but deliver hours of relief. And here's your challenge. Try at least one of these hacks today. Don't just watch, actually do it. Test the microwave steam clean after reheating your leftovers, or throw lemon peels into your disposal. You'll be amazed at how quickly your kitchen feels transformed. If you found these hacks helpful, share this video with your friends. They'll thank you the next time they face a sticky microwave or a stinky sink. And for more genius tips that save time, money, and stress, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications. 'Cause why spend hours cleaning the hard way when you can do it smarter with hacks you'll wish you knew years ago?